Alright guys, good morning Saipan guys. Good morning guys, Saipan guys today. Today guys, I'm here today in the Obian Beach today guys. Obian Beach. Guys, this time si Papa using this one. I'm trying to cast today for the food nun in Tagalog is pang-ulam lamang. Huh? I love you guys. I miss you guys again, right? And happy morning Sunday today guys. Okay? See, look. Papa with magic stick. But guys, I don't know how many minutes guys. Maybe like 10 minutes because guys, it's the water is very high tide and then the current is strong. But I don't know if I catch today the fish, okay? But this time, trying catch si Mama, guys. Trying catch si Mama. Woohoo! If today catch Mama, if I cut off the video, after that, I want to continue, okay? I want to, guys, the same stop the video, and then after I want to go home, I want to take a video again for my catching today. Oh, I catch like 3 pieces, or 2 pieces, or maybe nothing si Mama, you know. At least, I go fishing, right? Yes, huh? Mama! Well, guys, like what to rename, okay? Ito si Mama guys, wait. Don't rush guys, don't rush. Like I said guys. Nice, I don't see it, my line is there guys. Okay guys, we have already people starting swimming guys. Okay. After today is 8 o'clock guys. Okay. Waiting also the family of Omar Basti guys. You know. See? Remember this my technique guys. Okay. The wind, the water is very strong guys. But this time rain, go away. Come on, Mama. Guys, I catch. It's on. I love you, baby. Huh? I love you, baby. Because, hey guys, somebody smiling me because I got si Mama guy. I tell you that's the one. Oh God, it's raining guys. But don't worry guys, My cellphone is bulletproof. Bulletproof, waterproof. Okay? See guys? You know what happened? Si Papa always forgot. Hey! Mama. Guys, si Mama always lost. Mama, don't do that to Papa. See? He's the good size, your eyes. I love you, Mama. Guys, that's the one I tell you guys. You love from your heart in the sea. Blessing is a lot of you. Please a lot, guys. I tell you. But by the way, all guys, only 5 minutes. See? I catch already si Mama. That's why guys, the time very fast. Si Papa is very slow to throw again. That's why si Mama is still waiting for me. Guys, how do you feel? Paano nyo maramdaman pag kayo nagtitising? Hello. I have the, admirement to me. Inggit naman kayo dyan kay Papa with Mama in the bedside. Okay guys, give me like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I want to cut off. Okay? It's very fast, eh? Guys, no, same technique, Remember, this my always using, okay? Guys, honest to goodness, it's a lot of Mama you can sing if you follow my technique, okay? Guys, not bula-bula, guys. You guys also witness with video ticket how to catch si Mama in 3 minutes. Okay? Now already 5 minutes guys. Oh, 6 minutes already. But I'm not keep going. Wait, come on! You know guys, the water very strong. But it's still okay. Guys, laya, Mama Mia! You see how fast the fish bite my line? But you see, la 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 la, Mama Mia, Mama Mia. So guys, remember, only 8 minutes, guys. Hey, that's you, man. Mama. The problem is that the cloud is, oh! No more friend again. Okay. Wait, after this one, I take it to video, okay? I give you the walk. Hey guys? Guys, ha? Yung watch boy, wait boy, ha? Relax, boy, relax. I want to catch the mama, boy. Okay? I'm going to Papa. Guys. Boys, this one nothing hole, boys. You know how to fix this one? Nothing hole. Go, go, Mama! Guys, the wheels. Wow! Oh, okay. Alright, man. Come to Papa. Mama, come to Papa. I love you guys. Si Papa! Huh? That's one I tell you guys. If you catch si Mama inside your heart, you're very happy. Don't plastic yourself, man. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Huh? See? This time I have 3 cats already, guys. Huh? Now I catch si Mama. Woohoo! I tell you, how many minutes? 12 minutes, guys. I cut off my video, okay? Huh? But look at si Mama, huh? Papa, how to catch Mama? Because Mama is very love me in the sea. Respect in the sea with Mama in the sea and the mother of the sea, guys. Huh? Okay? Before I cut off my video, guys, because it's going plenty now. People want to swim. Shout out to everybody, especially the family of the staff person in the hospital, Mr. Omar Ayusti Baste. Guys, today is coming with me together. And also si Mr. Henry Gabriela. Bro, good morning. Thank you today for your comment today for me. Please you your family. Okay? And also Ben De La Cruz. Bro, I had Sayura may house but only 3 days that one. I forgot to call you. And also guys in the and also the Mamalo vlog with JM Alama vlog. Guys, don't forget to subscribe with Subano Journey and also Noel channel, guys, on BBTV. Okay guys, and some of the people in the this coming afternoon, the 3 o'clock, starting the derby po how's this, si Carlos Bulisteros guys. He's the one he's the handle that derby guys. I forgot again guys, okay? But this morning guys, before I came here, you know, I go in the tower in the airport, the town I'm working there. Okay guys, and remember guys, don't forget to visit Museum in Saipan. Museum in Saipan na guys is very good, very clean and very good inside there. People there, Mr. Danny Aquino with Archie Ayuste guys. Remember that people guys. Thank you for watching. Please forgive me with Mama and with Papa within Mama in the Sea to subscribe to the channel guys. And also in Guam, Eric Blas. Thank you. And also 420 in the state today. Okay? Thank you. See you another video guys. But after this one, if I go, maybe I take another my face this time guys. After finish this one, because this one now is very long the video. Okay? Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe Jeremy Gubat with Mama with Papa in the sea, Papa in the land. Thank you very much. Bye bye.